Have you ever walked into a store, picked out an item, and checked out in a flash? Or maybe you've grabbed a quick bite at your favorite restaurant, paid with your phone, and been on your way? These seemingly simple transactions are often powered by something you probably don't think about much, the point-of-sale system. And behind many of those systems, working tirelessly to make these experiences seamless, is a company called Lightspeed. But what exactly does Lightspeed do? That's what we're diving into today. Think about it. Running a business, whether it's a small boutique, a bustling restaurant, or even a growing online store, involves a lot more than just having a great product or service. You have to manage inventory, process payments, track sales, understand your customers, and, of course, keep the lights on. Juggling all of these moving parts can be incredibly complex and overwhelming, especially as your business grows. That's where Lightspeed comes in. They offer a comprehensive suite of cloud-based software solutions designed to simplify and streamline these crucial operations for businesses of all sizes. Lightspeed isn't just a point-of-sale system. It's a platform. It's like a central hub that connects all the different aspects of your business, allowing you to manage everything from one centralized location. Imagine having a single dashboard where you can see your sales in real time, track your inventory levels, manage your customer relationships, and even run marketing campaigns. That's the power of Lightspeed. Now, let's break down some of the key features and functionalities that Lightspeed offers. At its core, Lightspeed provides a robust point-of-sale (POS) system. This is the heart of the operation, allowing you to process transactions quickly and efficiently, whether it's in person, online, or even on mobile. Think about the last time you paid for something with a credit card. That transaction likely went through a POS system, and if the business was using Lightspeed, it was handled seamlessly and securely. But Lightspeed goes beyond just processing payments. It also offers sophisticated inventory management tools. This is crucial for any business that sells physical products. Lightspeed allows you to track your inventory levels in real time, set reorder points, and even manage purchase orders. This helps you avoid stockouts, reduce waste, and ultimately improve your bottom line. Imagine you own a clothing store. With Lightspeed, you can see exactly how many of each item you have in stock, which sizes are selling quickly, and when you need to order more. This level of insight is invaluable for making informed business decisions. Another key area where Lightspeed excels is customer relationship management, CRM. Building strong relationships with your customers is essential for long-term success. Lightspeed provides tools to help you track customer purchase history, preferences, and contact information. This allows you to personalize your marketing efforts, offer targeted promotions, and ultimately, create a more engaging customer experience. Think about a coffee shop using Lightspeed. They can track your favorite drink, offer you a discount on your birthday, and even send you personalized recommendations for new blends. And speaking of marketing, Lightspeed also offers a range of marketing tools to help you reach new customers and grow your business. From email marketing to loyalty programs, Lightspeed provides the tools you need to connect with your audience and drive sales. Imagine a bookstore using Lightspeed to send out email newsletters promoting new releases or offering exclusive discounts to loyalty members. These marketing tools help businesses build brand awareness and drive repeat business. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is Lightspeed right for my business? The answer, as with most things, depends on your specific needs. Lightspeed offers solutions for a wide range of industries, including retail, restaurants, e-commerce, and even golf courses. Whether you're a small boutique owner or a large multi-location restaurant chain, there's likely a Lightspeed solution that can fit your needs. Let's talk specifically about some of these industries. For retail businesses, Lightspeed offers features like integrated e-commerce, inventory management, and multi-location support. This allows retailers to manage both their online and brick-and-mortar stores from a single platform. For restaurants, Lightspeed offers features like table management, online ordering, and integrated payment processing. This helps restaurants streamline their operations and improve the dining experience for their customers. And for e-commerce businesses, Lightspeed offers features like website integration, inventory syncing, and order management. This helps online retailers manage their entire business from one central location. One of the biggest advantages of Lightspeed is its cloud-based platform. This means that you can access your data and manage your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're at the store, at home, or even on vacation, you can always stay connected to your business. This flexibility is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. Another advantage of Lightspeed is its scalability. As your business grows, Lightspeed can grow with you. You can easily add new locations, users, and features as your needs change. This scalability makes Lightspeed a great long-term solution for businesses of all sizes. Lightspeed also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services. This allows you to connect your Lightspeed system with other tools you use to run your business, such as accounting software, email marketing platforms, and loyalty programs. This integration helps to streamline your workflows and improve efficiency. So, to recap, Lightspeed is a powerful cloud-based platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools for businesses of all sizes. From point-of-sale and inventory management to customer relationship management and marketing tools, Lightspeed helps businesses simplify their operations, improve efficiency, and ultimately, grow their bottom line. It's more than just a POS system. It's a complete business management solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.